students, this is the Essay 1 revision, the class 4th standard subject mathematics, marks 50 marks. Okay, instructions. There are the 3 parts. For part A, think and answer. Part B, mental maths. Part C, compulsory. Yes, let us start. Yes, I requested to all the children, if you have to answer with me. Is part A, solve the following problems, each carry 1 mark. In the first main question, the first one, write the place and face value of the colored digit. A, 27,854. B, 63,05,751. So we have to write the place and face values. Yes, right there. The first place value, that is the color digit, that is 7. So place value means the respected place. 4 it is in 1's place, 5 it is in 10's place, 8 it is in 100 place, 7 it is in 1000's place. So write there the place value of a color digit, that is 7. That means the 7,000. That is 7,000. And the face value is, that is the color digit, the respected the place. Yes, face value means the value of the digit itself. It means the 7, the face value of the 7 is the digit itself. It means 7. The next one, 63,05,751. Okay, first the place value. The place value means the respected places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 3 it is in lakh. So write the 3 lakhs. And the face value means the value of the digit itself. The 3 there. So write the 3. Next question, write the following numbers in expanded form. Yes, what is the expanded form? That means sum of the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 3. So 3 it is in lakh space. So write there the 3 lakhs plus the 6 it is in 10,000. So write that 6, 10,000. Next 8,000. The 400, the respected places. The 0, tens, the sum of the place values of the 5 is 5, it is in 1's place. So we wrote the expanded form of the number is the sum of the place values of its digit. Okay, the next one, the 48,000, the 275, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So write in expanded form, the 4 it is in 10,000's place plus the 8 it is in 1000's place, 2 it is in 100 place. Next 7 it is in 10's place, 5 it is in 1's place. Okay, are you all giving the answer with me? Yes, very good guys. You have to answer with me. Next question, third one, write the following numbers in standard forms. The standard form means, so you have to write the face value of the digits. 2 ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, write the respected face values there. The 20,000, 2, the 5,000, 5, 400, 4, the 80, 8, the 2. These are the face value of these numbers. Next question. The ones place. Look here children. The ones place is not given here. Directly 60 it is in a tens place. 7 it is in hundred place. And 30 it is in 3 it is in 10,000s place. So ones place is not given. Next, the one more digit, that is thousands place also. Is write the original form, that is the place values. Okay, 3. Next, the ones place is, the thousands place is not there, so insert 10 in a thousands place. Next, 7 it is in hundred place, 6 it is in tens place. So put or insert 10 in a ones place. Yes, read now. That is 30,760. Yes, the 6 it is in a tens place, 7 it is in hundred place. So 3 it is in 10,000s place. Fourth question, circle the biggest number. A 39,872, 54,781, 22,780, 60,708. So you have to compare all the numbers. First check all the numbers have the 5 digit here. Next, compare the numbers from the left to the right. The 3 here and 5, 2 and 6. For comparing all these numbers, which one is the bigger? Yes, 6 is the bigger. So automatically, so you have to write, you have to circle the biggest number. Okay, this the 60,700 shows the biggest number here. The next, same as the B1 also, 7,53,281, 7,53,218, 7,53,382, 7,53,177. Yes, all the digit have the 6, all the numbers have the 6 digit each. Next, compare the digit here. Start from the left to the right. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, all the numbers have the 7 digit. Next, compare the next number, the 5, 5, 5 and 5. Next, in the third number, 3, 3, 3 and 3. Next, in hundred place, the 2, 2, 3 and 1 there. So in hundred place, compare the numbers here. Respected hundred places numbers, the 2, 2, 3 and 1 here. So which one is the biggest? The 7,53,382. This is the biggest. Next, the fifth question, write the following numbers in descending order. The descending order means big to the small. Compare the numbers here, 23,781, 5,70,966, 7,27,820, 5,78,325. Yes, which one is the sum numbers have only 5 digits, the sum are have 6 digits in each number. Yes, compare these two numbers, the 5 and 5 here, 7 and 7, 0 and 8. So compare these two numbers, we got this one is the bigger one. Next, compare these two numbers, 7 and 5. Yes, this one is the bigger one. So write, what is the ascending? What is the descending? The descending number means big to the small. So write, this one is the first. Next, compare these two numbers, the 78,000, the bigger than the 70,000. Next, compare these two numbers, the 23,000 here. Okay, this number starts from the lakhs place. So compare these two numbers, the 5,70,966 is bigger than the 23,781. So right there, this is in the third place. So last, this one is the fourth place. Okay, this is the number we wrote in the descending order. Okay, next, sixth question, write the following numbers in ascending orders. Yes, what is the ascending order? Ascending order means small to the big. The same numbers here, so we have to arrange the numbers in a ascending order. Small, which is the smaller one? Yes, this one is the smaller one. Next, this one is the bigger than the 23,781. 5,78,325 is bigger than the 5,70,966. So it goes to the third place. Next, the last one is, it is in fourth place, the 7,27,820. Yes, we arranged the numbers in ascending order. The seventh question, convert the following into Roman numbers. A, 102. Okay, this is the Indian system number. So we have to convert this one into the Roman numbers. First, we split the number, the 100 plus 2. The symbol of the 100 is C and the symbol of the 2 is 2I. That means C I. That shows the 102. The B, the 59. The 50 plus 9, the symbol of the 50 is L and the symbol of the 9 is I and X. LIX. The value of LIX is 59. Next, eighth question. Convert the following into Hindu Arabic numerals. A, XXXVI. This is in the Hindu, this is in the Roman number. So we have to convert it into Hindu Arabic numerals. That is the Indian system number. So X here. So write the 30. That means the value of the X is 10, 10, 10. So 30 plus the value of the V and I, that is 6. So 30 plus 6 is 36. The next one, LXV. So the value of the L is 50, or the symbol of the 50 is L. The value of the X is 10. The value of the V is 5. The LXV. 50 plus 10 plus 5 is 65. The ninth one, arrange in columns and add. The first one, A question, the 23,547 plus 88,233. First step is write the solution and arrange the given numbers in the column wise. Then add from the right to the left. That means the smaller value, the smaller place values to the greater value places. The 7 plus 3 is 10. So write the 0 in one's place, 1 carry over. Next 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 8 is 11. So write 1 in a thousands place, 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Yes, what is the answer? That is 1,11,780. The B question, 19,999 plus 21,111 is as same as the A1. We arranged the numbers in a column wise. Then 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry over, 0 in a ones place. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. The answer, the addition is the 41,110. The next question, subtract the following. The 10th one, subtract the following. A, The 46,573 minus 32,494. Yes, arrange these numbers in the column wise. The 3 minus 4 is not possible. So we regroup number, that becomes a 13. So 13 minus 4 is a 9. The beside the number, the tens place number decreases 1, that is 6. The 6 minus 9 not possible. So again we regroup, it becomes the 16. The 100 place number is decreases, it becomes the 4. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. The 4 minus 3 is 1. The difference is the 14,079. The difference of these two numbers, that is 14,079. The next one, 5,76,836 minus 3,47,541. Solution, the 6 minus 1 is 5. So 3 minus 4 not possible. Okay, regroup the number there. The 13. 13, if the tens place becomes the 13, the 100 place number, the 8 is decreases 1. It becomes 7. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. The 16 minus 7. The 6 minus 7 is not possible. So we regroup the number. The 16 minus 7 is 9. The 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. The difference is 2,29,295. Next, the part B, the question 2 each carries 2 marks. Arrange in columns and add. Yes, there are the 3 addends here. There are the 3 numbers. So arrange the numbers in the column wise. 35,620, 90,037, 16,358. Add these addends. The 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 in a ones place, 1 carry over to the tens place. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So write 1 in a tens place, 1 carry over to the 100 place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So zeros, write this one in a 100 place, 1 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 in a thousands place, 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. Next, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, write the 14. Yes, read the number. The 1,42,015. Okay, this is the addition of these 3 addends. The next one B, the one more addition problem here. All the numbers belongs to the lakhs place. Arrange these numbers in the respected columns. The 4,37,846, 1,64,386, 3,54,671. So add, right from the left. The 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 is, write this one in the ones place, 1 carry over to the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 14. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. So 0 is, write this one in a tens place, 2 carry over to the 100 place. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 9. And then 1 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So write 6 in a thousands place. 1 carry over to the 10,000 place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, write 5. It is in a 10,000 place. 1 carry over to the lakhs place. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, this is the addition. The 9,56,903. Okay, this is the addition of these three addends. Okay, next we will move to the next question. The second question, subtract 20,365 from 78,654. Yes, what is the subtraction? Subtraction means to take away a smaller number from a bigger number. Okay, in this case, so we have to write the greater number will come above the smaller number. Yes, compare these two numbers. Which one is the greater? The 78,654. So we have to write the greater number above the smaller number. The 78,654 minus 20,365. Okay, let us do the subtraction. The symbol shows the subtraction. The 4 minus 5 not possible. So we regroup the tens place and ones place. So the 4 becomes the 14. The 5, the tens place number 5, it decreases 1. That becomes the 4. The 14 minus 5 is 9. The 4 minus 6 not possible. So we regroup the 100 place and tens place here. The tens place, the 4 becomes the 14. Next, the 100 place number, that 6 decreases 1 by 1. It becomes the 5. The 14 minus 6 is 8. The 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, this is the difference. The answer of the subtraction is called the difference. Okay, what is the difference here? 58,289. The next one as same as the first one, but the digits are different here. Subtract 475 from 56,743. Yes, we have to write the bigger number will come above the smaller number, that is 56,743. Then the 475 we wrote or we arrange these numbers respected place values. Let's start the subtraction here. The 3 minus 5 not possible. We regroup the number, the tens and ones place. It becomes 13. The tens place number decreases 1. The 13 minus 5 is 8. Next, the 3 minus 7 not possible. Again, we regroup the 100 and tens places. The 13, it becomes a 13. The 100 place number is decreases by 1. That becomes the 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 as it is, 5 as it is. Why? Because there is no numbers to subtract 56. The difference is 56,268. The next question, the multiplications. Find the third question, find the product using the columns method. The first one, find the product using the column method. 7,564 into 5. Yes, what is the multiplication? Multiplication is, that is repeated addition. It is the quicker way of finding the sum. First, write the numbers one below the other and the multiplicand is placed above the multiplier. Then multiplication is done column wise from right to the left. Okay, let us start. We arrange numbers here. The 7,564 into 5. Multiplication is done column wise from right to left. So 5 4s are 20. So 2 carry over to the tens place, 0 in a ones place. 5 6 ja. It means the 5 is multiple 6 times. 5 6 ja 30. The 30 plus 2 is 32. Write the 2 in a tens place. The 3 carry over to the 100 place. 5 5 ja 25. The 25 plus 3 is 28. So write the 8 in a 100 place. The 2 carry over to the thousands place. 5 sevens are 35. The 35 plus 2 is 37. The product. What is the product? The result of the multiplication is called the product. That is 37,820. Yes. Next B question, that is 8,345 into 24. Yes, in this question there are the two multipliers. If the multipliers has more than one digit, then multiply the multiplicand by each digit separately. So 4 5s are 20. So 2 carry over, 0 in a ones place. The 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 8s are 24. The 24. The 4 8s are 32. Sorry. The 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Next, multiply by the tens place, that is 2. Ones place multiplication is completed. The 2 into 5 is, that means the 2 is multiplied 5 times. The 2 5s are 10. 0 in a tens place. The 1 carry over to the tens place. The 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Add all the addends. The 0 plus is 0. The 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 is 4. The 4 plus 6 is 10. Next, the 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, this is the product. What is the product there? The 2,280. Yes, what is the product? The result of the multiplication is called the product. 2,280 is the product of 8,345 into 24. Next, the fourth question, that is the division problems. Divide to find the quotients and the remainder. Is the first one. 775 is divisible by the 5. Yes, what is the division there? The division is repeated subtraction. When we divide two numbers, the number to be dividend is called the dividend. So 775 is the dividend. The number by which we divide, that is called the divisor. So 5 is the divisor. The result of the division is called the quotient, and the number left over after the division, that is called the remainder. So we have to find out in this question quotient and remainders. Okay, arrange the numbers here. The 5, it is the divisor. The 775 is the dividend. So 5 ones are 5. The 7 minus 5 is 2. What is the division? That is repeated subtraction. The 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the 7. Club with the 2. That becomes 27. The nearest to the 27, that is 5. 5s are 25. 7 minus 5 is 2. The 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes, next bring down the last digit, that is 5. Club with the 2, that becomes the 25. Then the 5 5s are 25. The 5 minus 5 is 0. The 2 minus 2 is 0. The quotient is 155. What is the quotient? The result of the division, that is called the quotient. And the remainder is 0. What is the remainder? The number left over after the division, that is called remainder. Yes. Next, the one more question. The B, 9174 is divisible by the 8. Solution. The 8 is the divisor. 9174, that is dividend. The 8 is the nearest to the 9. So 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So next bring down the 1. that becomes 11. So 8 ones are 8 again. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down the next digit 7, that is 37. The nearest to the 37, that is 8 4s are 32. 7 minus 2 is, the 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the last digit, that is 4. So the 54, the nearest to the 54, that is the 8 6s are 48. The 54 minus 48 is 6. Yes, the quotient is 1146. 1146. The remainder is 6. Okay, this is the process how to do the division problem. Okay, next we will move to the next question. That is estimate, the fifth question, estimate the sum of sum to the nearest 10 and compare with the actual sum. The first one, 61 plus 75. Yes, first there are the two steps in a first problem. The estimated sum, after that one actual sum. The 61, estimate the 61, that becomes 60 if the digit at the ones place is equal to or less than 5, the number is rounded down. The 75, if the digit at the ones place is equal to or greater than 5, the number is rounded up. That means it becomes a 60 and the 75 becomes the 80. Yes, after addition we get the 140. Okay, this is the estimated sum. Yes, what about the actual sum? Yes, write the given numbers as it is. Write the given numbers as it is. The 61 plus 75, that is 136. The 136 is the actual sum. The 140 is the estimated sum. Yes, the main question 3, mental maths, each carries half marks. Fill in the blanks. The first one, that is 83,475 is equal to dash 10,000s plus dash thousands plus dash hundreds plus dash tens plus dash ones. So we have to write the respected place values here. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So write 8, it is in a 10,000s place, and then 3, it is in a thousands place, 4, it is in a 100 place, the 7, it is in a tens place, the last digit 5, it is in a ones place. We fill the number. We filled the number. Next, the B question, 22,350. So write the face value of this question, the 22,350, or write this one in the numeral, the 22,350. Next, the C question, 7,483 box 7,256. Put or insert in the box less than, greater than or equal. Yes, compare these two numbers. The 7,483 is greater than the 7,256. So we insert this symbol here. Next, the D, successor of 72,845 is equal to dash. So what is the successor? The successor of a number is the number that comes just after it. That means add 1 to a number to obtain its successor. So the successor of 72,845 is 72,846. We add only 1. That shows the successor of this number. Next, the predecessor of 84,523. Yes, what is the predecessor? The predecessor means the subtract 1 from a number to find its predecessor, or the predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. Just before it. The predecessor of 84,523 is 84,522. Just before this number. Successor means just after this number. That means the 5, after the 5, 6, just before. After before the 3, that is 2. The F, the 2,64,398 plus 1. That means 2,64,399. Okay, this is the successor of this number. This is the successor of this number. When we add 1 to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. Next, the G question, 72,999 plus 0. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. There is no difference between these two numbers here. So 72,999 plus 0 is equal to the number itself. It means 72,999. The H, 79,653 minus 1. This is the predecessor of the number. The 79,653 minus 1 is equal to 79,652. The I, 68,790 minus 10. That means subtracting 10 from a number, the digit in the tens place is decreased by 1. Okay, the digit in the tens place. So 9, it is in a tens place. That number is decreases by 1. So the 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. The whole number, the 68,790 minus 10 is equal to 68,780. The J, 47,500 minus 100. When we subtract 100 from a number, the digit in the 100 place, that is decreased by 1. The 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. The 47,500 minus 100 is equal to 47,400. The K question, 654 into 1 is equal to the number itself, the 654. The next one, L, 695 into dash is equal to 600 into 695. The properties of multiplication. Just recall the order property. The two numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product remains the same. That means, okay, fill the 600 in the given box. That means 695 into 600 is equal to 600 into 695. This is the property of the multiplication, the order property. Next, M, the 996 into, in the round bracket, the 430 into dash, round bracket complete, is equal to 996 into 430 in the round bracket into the 712. Just apply the same property there, the grouping property. The product of 3 or more numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping of numbers. That means the 996 in both sides, the 430 here also. So write the 712. Okay. This shows the grouping property in the property of multiplication. The N, 8689 into 0. The product of a number with 0 is 0. The product of a number with 0 is 0 here. Next, O, the 7 into 400 is equal to dash. So first we multiply with the non-zero part. Yes, then put the zeros. So what are the non-zero part here? The 7 and 4. The 4 sevens are 28, and then put the zeros. How many zeros here? 1, 2. So write the 1, 2. That means the product of 7 into 400 is 2800. The P question, the 6 into 2000. So first multiply with the non-zero part first. So 6 and 2, these are the non-zero parts. 2 6 ja 12. Then put the zeros. How many zero here? 1 2 3. So put 1 2 3. That means the product of 6 into 2000 is equal to 12,000. Next Q question, complete it. 4 8 12 dash 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 dash. So it means the multiplication of the 4. So 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 5s are 4 6s are and 4 8s are. Okay, these are the multiplication of the 4. The next question are circle the multiples of 7. Okay, the given numbers are 12, 45, 56, 72, 35, 87, 84, 42, 21 and 30. These are the given numbers. So we have to circle the multiples of the 7. That means the 7th tables. So 56, the 12 it is not in the 7th table. The 45 also it is not in the 7th table. 56. Yes, the 7 8s are 56. Next 72. It is not in the 7th table. 35. 7 5s are 35. Next 87. No. 84. Yes. The 7 12s are 84. Next 42. 6 the 7 6 the 42. Next 7 3s are 21. 30. It is not in the 7th table. Okay. The rounded numbers are the multiples of 7. The remaining are, these are not multiples of the 7. Okay, next we will move to the part C. The question number 4. Solve the story problems. Okay. In the part C, the question 4. Solve the story problems. Okay, in the part C, there are the 4 story problems. Each carry 1.5 mark. The first one, the area of Kerala is 38,863 square kilometer. Tamil Nadu is 1,30,058 square kilometer and Karnataka is 1,91,791 square kilometer. Find the sum of areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, read the question carefully here. Is what we have to find out here. The sum of areas of these states. It means the sum of shows the addition. Yes, do the addition now. Yes, whatever the numbers in the given question, write here the area of Kerala, that is 38,863 square kilometer. The area of Tamil Nadu 1,30,058 square kilometers. The area of Karnataka is 1,91,791 square kilometer. So the total, the 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. The 2 is here, 1 carry over. Next, the 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 is 12. The 12 plus 9 is 21. So write 1 in a tens place, 2 carry over to the 100 place. Next 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 100 place, 1 carry over to the thousands place. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 is here, 1 carry over to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 is here, 1 carry over. Next 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, the total square kilometer is 3,60,712. Okay, write the last sentence. The sum of areas of, so the Sum of areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and the Karnataka is 3,60,712 square kilometers. So you have to write the units here. That is square kilometer. Okay, next go to the second question. The next question. The price of a watch is rupees 9,375. Find the price of 30 watches. Okay, the amount of the watch is the 9,375. So we have to find out the price of the 30 watches. It means the multiplication. Next, the price of watch is equal to 9,375 rupees. The number of watches are 30. Yes, do the multiplication. Any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product. So 0 5 is a 0, 0 7 is a 0, 0 3 is a 0, and 0 9 is a 0. Next, do the multiplication by the tens place. The 3 5 is a 15, so 1 carry over. 3 7 is a 21 plus 1 is 22, 2 carry over. 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 9 is a 27, the 27 1 is 28. Let's add the sums. The 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2. Any number add by 0 give the number itself. 0 plus 1 is 1. The 8 as it is, 2 as it is. The value of the 30 watches or the price of 30 watches is 2,81,250. Okay, write the last sentence, that is, thus the price of 30 watches. The price of 30 watches are 2,81,250 rupees. Yes, this is the answer here. Okay. Next, the third question. In a race, the participants need to cover 27,850 meters in 25 laps. How much distance is covered in each lap? So the distance is 27,850. All the participants need to cover this much of the length of the race. Then the distance is covered in each lap. So the question belongs to the division problem. Do the division here. The distance need to cover, that is 27,850 meters, divisible by the number of laps is 25. Yes, right. The 25 is the divisor and 27,850 becomes the dividend. So 25 ones are 25. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, bring down the 8. That becomes 28. So again 25 ones are 25. The 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next one, the 5. 25 ones are 25. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, the last digit, that is 0. Club with the 10, that becomes 100. 25 fours are 100. Yes, the quotient is 1,114. That means, thus, 1,114 meters of distance is covered in each lab. Okay, this is the yes, this is the answer. Next, we will move to the fourth question. That is the last question in this revision part. The D 5075 sheets of paper were used from a file of 9600 sheets to make notebooks. How many sheets are left? Okay, 5075 sheets are already used. The 9600 sheets to make a notebook. So how many pages are left over? Yes, that means that is subtraction. So we have to find out the sheets are left. Yes, we wrote the statement here from the given question. The number of sheets to make notebooks, that is 9600. So number of sheets were used already, that is 5075. Yes, do the subtraction. The 0 minus 5 not possible. Regroup the number here with the tens and ones places. 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes, the 0 becomes the 9. The 9 minus 7 is 2. The 6 becomes the 5. The 5 minus 0 is 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Yes, how many pages were left? The 4525. Is right. The last sentence, thus 4525 seats are left over. Okay, this is the revision part of the 4th standard. Keep practicing. Thank you. Best of luck for the SA1 exam.